Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Betterment for automated portfolio investing easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open the App Store on your device. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, locate and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Betterment. Once you see the Betterment app in the search results, tap on it. Look for the Install button. Tap on Install to begin downloading the app. The app will automatically install after the download is complete. Once the installation is finished, open the Betterment app. You may need to grant permissions for the app to access your device. Next, you'll be prompted to create a new account. If you already have an account, you can log in using your credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill in your personal information. You'll need to provide details like your name, email address, and phone number. After completing the registration form, review your information for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email. Check your inbox and confirm your email address. Return to the app once your email is verified. Next, you'll set your investment goals. Take your time to answer the questions about your investment preferences. This step helps Betterment customize your portfolio. After completing the questionnaire, review your suggested portfolio. You'll see various investment options tailored to your risk tolerance. If you're satisfied with the suggestions, proceed by tapping Continue. You'll then need to link your bank account to fund your investments. Follow the prompts to securely connect your bank account. Once your bank account is linked, decide how much you'd like to invest. Review your selections one last time before finalizing your investment. After all steps are completed, tap on Start Investing. Congratulations, you've successfully set up Betterment for automated portfolio investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.